Technical reports are required to meet industry and regulatory standards for medical products. Unfortunately, the engineers and scientists asked to prepare them often lack the necessary writing skills. To make matters worse, companies are frequently unsure of how to best organize and present the information so that it is clearly and effectively communicated. This can create unnecessary difficulties with regulatory authorities, leading to lost time and unnecessary expense. To help you overcome these challenges, through LS Academy, we have created a one-day intensive workshop that combines key learning points with focused exercises, detailed discussions, and practical group work. During the workshop, you will learn to develop a coherent idea for your technical documents, communicate it effectively in English, optimize your workflow, and evaluate and improve existing reports. I will be happy to share my experience with you and help you build the knowledge you need to create winning technical reports.